If x and y are positive integers less than 8, how many distinct values can be taken by the expression 3x plus 7y? Alright guys, so वैसे take is redundant हो गया, यहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए था ये, okay, गलती हो गया, okay, just ignore that. Alright, so x and y are positive integers less than 8, okay, positive integer, positive मतलब zero तो नहीं आएगा, integer अगर है तो, okay, so x and y, okay, दोनों के लिए we have basically 7 values available, right, 7 possible values, okay. अब गाइस देखो, जितने वैल्यूज x और y अज्यूम करेंगे उतना डिफरेंट वैल्यू ये इक्वेशन का आएगा, इस एक्सप्रेशन का आएगा हमारे पास, राइट. सो इफ यू पुट x as 1 and y as 1, you have 3 into 1 plus 7 into 1, एक वैल्यू आएगा. Okay, if you put x equal to 2 and y equals to 1, so 3 into 2 plus 7 into 1, एक value आएगा, right? So different values of x and y will give you different values of the given expression 3x plus 7y, right? So x कितने value available है? 7 values. Y कितने value available है? 7 values. Okay, so total number of values कितना हो जाएगा? 3x plus 7y का. Okay, values of x multiplied by values of y, 7 into 7, the answer is 49. So this expression can take how many values? 49 values. Okay, so you don't need to actually find out all the values over here, all 49 values. Okay, just logically you can say x की 7 value है, and for every value of x, y can take for the 7 values, right? So 7 into 7, the total number of ways is 49.